And well, I'm DPS, and you have to queue for it. I mean, it's only fair. If you want to play DPS that badly, then wait the 20 minutes. You know, queue
Yeah.
lock. Yeah. This is comp.
Is that today? Oh, look, with 3 healers.
Oh, we're good.
Never stop fighting for what you believe in.
I'm gonna run. You guys should pick though, because we've got about 35 seconds to get there. Yeah, that's pretty good. I like this. This looks good.
Yeah, that's promising.
Uh-huh.
Ah, I passed you up, Tank.
Who passed me up?
So May was ahead of me, and I dropped my teleporter, and I'm just.
Hey,
Oh my god!
No.
Right at Papulo.
Maybe we can turn it down a little bit.
They got home.
It's just a scratch. You'll be fine.
Here's somebody on the right side. I haven't seen them.
No, I don't see him yet.
There it is.
Cree on the left. Hog right. My shield down.
Tracer. I'll deal with Tracer. You get back up front.
Shield's down. Help me with heals, I'll start swinging.
We got an enemy left side.
You're powered up. Get in there.
Fancy nade. You guys okay back there?
Yeah, we're fine. Keep
Good.
going. Keep up front.
We're good.
It's just a scratch. You'll be fine.
Hog's back there. I'm just gonna pen them. Oh, I'm gonna miss. Finally. Bit. Buster shield, drop a hammer on him.
You're powered up. Get in there.
Sorry.
Ooh, wasted ult. Nice.
Easy.
Hog
You're
went
so
right,
cocky.
Yeah. So I put a hammer on him. Oh! Dump it.
Hey!
See ya.
Hey, you lived through that. I didn't
Nice.
expect that. I'm sorry.
I was hoping to go into the water.
Those thighs give me extra 50 HP.
They're taking down my turrets.
Tourette's?
Yep, my turrets.
Hands on the left.
Turrets. Don't take down the fucking turrets.
Right now, sleeping.
Good bash, I think.
Get this Tracer off my nuts.
Out of my way.
Gunning.
Yeah.
Oh.
Watching your back.
Tracer on the pier.
Larissa low. Oh wait, she's got a mercy attached to her. Monkey.
Distance is
Tracer off the
missed.
point.
Keep your head. Let's take it.
Oh,
You
you
guys- Are you guys alright with that tracer or what?
Yeah, the turrets in the main all on the point were fine. But I'm walking back.
You're going.
She stuck me.
Get in.
Scared her.
Shit scared. You're a
That's a
fucking
strong
night
push.
carrier. Nope. No res for you.
Nice.
Got it.
Good job.
Score 0-0. Switching sides. Prepare to
9-9, is that the new thing?
I don't know. Oh, so many healers.
Reinhardt's wet dream.
Well, I mean, Moira can be DPS if she really wants to be, so.
I usually am.
Aren't they all?
Yeah.
As long as
one
she's
hand,
dying,
give
I'm
us-
Um, they didn't seem to have a handle on me last game. That's the only reason I picked her again. But I'll go to Junkrat if we have any issues.
I've got
Never
issues.
stop fighting for what you believe in.
You were born with issues. That's completely different.
I saw their play style last game. I think we'll be fine.
Wait, they have style?
I'm pretty sure we could walk out there with 6 mercies and take a victory here.
Do it.
Oh, I miss those days. When you could stack heroes.
Bills everyone say?
That'd be kinda
Oh my
funny.
god. Sounds like a title.
2 tanks is good. I think 4 and 2 is fine.
1. Attack commences. Capture objective A.
Barrel straight to the point. Let's do it.
Or Moira's
Oh,
got
you died.
Get back in.
Sniper.
Is he or was that a lucky shot? Pushing guys, my shield's at half. Hold that matrix for a second. I'm pushing shields. 700, 800, 600, 500, 400,
Hanzo's
300.
killing us.
Alright, off we go. To the point.
Hanzo's
All soldiers are hard to kill.
coming from behind you guys.
Nice. Good job,
There
guys.
you go. Good job.
Like I said, all healers could have beat those idiots.
Player of the game.
Jesus Christ, you're such a dick.
Double.
Why do you have to scream?
Oh, they all left. All the healing.
Harambe, what? What did you say?
Dicks out for Harambe.